Alright, in the last video, the video clips that I create cut off at 5 minutes, so um, if it abruptly quits, I apologize for that. Um, Alright, so at the end of the last video we had started step 2 of the tutorial 1 review assignment on page AC45, and so we're still in datasheet view. We've successfully changed the primary key field from from ID to supplier ID. So I think we've finished step 2. The next thing in step 3 is to start adding a bunch more fields. So all we're really doing in this step is creating the column headings that we want for the remainder of this table. And field names, column headings, whatever you want to call them, in Access these would be called, or in database terminology, these would be called fields or attributes. Alright, so to proceed on, we want to create a bunch more fields across the top here, and they're all going to be short text data types, except for one. The very last one will be a date and time. And I'll show you the kind of the quick, easy way to do this. If you click where it says click to add, it's going to, as soon as you click, it's going to basically give you the opportunity to choose your data type. The most common field data type is short text. So just choose short text, and then it automatically selects and gives you the opportunity to change the field from field 1 to, in this case, I want to change it to company. So just type company. Now, once you've typed the word company, before you press enter or anything like that, what you can do is be aware that if you press enter, then it's going to go over to the next field, and it's going to give you the opportunity to choose your data type. Now what I usually do, I'll do this one this way, category. What I usually do is I get into the habit of pressing tab instead of enter. Some people like to choose enter. Either one's fine. But if you press tab twice, then it not only takes you over to the click to add, but it also selects the short text as their data type, and then just press enter. And so you can, if you're a quick keystroke person, tab enter, that will give you the opportunity to bust right through these really quickly. So all I'm doing is pressing tab enter, and then typing in whatever I want the field name to be. So in this case, city, state, zip, not address, oops, zip. Tab enter, phone, tab enter, contact first, tab enter, contact last, and then tab. Now if I do tab enter here, I'm going to get short text, and I'm going to go ahead and make that mistake. But if you don't make the mistake, then just simply go down and choose date and time. But if you recall, it says all these fields should be short text except for the last one, which is initial contact. This one should be a date and time field. Now if you've gotten into the habit of doing this tab enter thing, and you automatically do that, and then you do initial contact, just like we did on that first one, if you create a field and it's not the right data type, just click on it and make sure that you have the field selected itself. You'll see a little pink box go around it, and then this will light up. If you don't have the field selected, then you'll see it kind of grays out, right? So if I have multiple fields selected, it won't let me change the data type. So if you just click on the field, go up here, choose data type, or a date and time, like that. Alright, so that is step 3. I think the last thing that we need to do is just increase the column width. This works just like it does in Excel. You can double click on the right edge of a field name, and it'll automatically expand the column width out. So if you wanted to do that to all of them, just select across the top there and then just double click, and that'll auto fit all of them. Okay, I don't think it really says to do that, it just says expand, but that's how you can do that. And then save. So we want to save this table. You can either right click up here and choose save, or you can just click save up here. I usually use the right click method because these options are really commonly used. So when in doubt, right click the tab, choose save, and then type supplier here, like that. So we've just created the table named supplier with the field names as indicated in step 3. We'll come back and start step 4.